Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to farm Totems of Undying and Emeralds.
And XP in the most efficient way in the whole game. You would have never have heard of it until you've watched
Well,
this
it's
video.
probably not the most efficient way because you have to do it on creative, but it's a very cool way that I've never seen anyone do before. Just build up. Build a little platform. Build just a little platform that you can fit little stuff on. Okay, now just destroy it. This is a pretty mean way to kill mobs too. Ain't it, Ollie?
Well, we didn't mention killing mobs, we're just killing, just getting a million XP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not gonna get us a million XP.
But
No way.
100,000 at least.
I messed up.
How?
Wait. Let me just build this like little area. Literally, just like the teeniest area you've ever seen. Literally.
Oh yeah, and you can be on survival while you're actually farming it if you successfully execute an MLG. Because remember, MLG is very good, as we said in our 2 videos ago.
Yeah, like that huge tower.
Yeah, was that the MLG tower?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see the
Literally, all you need to do is just stand here and just flip the lever, and then all your dreams will come true.
So have you filled it up?
No, that's what I'm doing now. As you know, my least favourite monsters are evokers.
And they're probably one of the best because they drop extremely rare loot.
Yeah. Oh, cheetah leg. After this, I'm going to be so stacked with totems and emeralds.
You won't have seen it before. It's just so cool.
And don't say no, because I have tested this out and it does get you loads.
Like, it's not one of those random things where, oh, you might get it, but you have to go through loads of work. No, this has absolutely no work to do.
Only a little bit of work.
Well, yeah, you just got to flip a switch and just sort of continue spam it, and that's it.
Okay, it's ready. Now just spam click.
And look at all those evokers.
When you spawn the evokers, they will fall to their death, and it will just give you all the XP.
So cool to just see the bottom just fill up with little fireflies.
This is
I think you have
satisfying.
to do it as many times as it takes. Like, how many evokers did you put in there altogether? Because you have 64 in every box. So 64 times 6 is.
It's lagging.
Let's just say it's more XP than you would ever need.
No, it's not more XP than you've ever needed.
Yeah, but it's still. Then when you try to get the XP, the game starts lagging because I guess the game can't process that much XP. Like, it's already lagging now.
Oh my gosh.
This is like so laggy.
Throw this out because
So turn this to survival.
our whole inventory is going to be flooded with totems. Just look at that. How many totems do you see there? Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Laggy.
That's 41 XP just from doing that. Look, I have too many totems.
And 64 emeralds. The maximum amount of emeralds you can ever have.
Not look.
And if you do this trick, you'll never die again. Like,
Well,
after
not if you
you've
have
used
shulker boxes.
yeah, but still, this is like.
Remember, if you ever want to cheat on your friend and tell them you got all this, just do this trick. Double totems. See ya. Plus, we're on the road to 1K subscribers. You can do it as it said you can do it, and remember to like and subscribe. See you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.